Hi everybody, I am Lily Holmberg, Director of Learning for Gaia Herbs, and today we are going to make a Hawthorn Heart Warmer. I'm pretty excited about this. It is a recipe that features Hawthorn Supreme liquid extract, fresh ginger, and cardamom pods. And of course, Hawthorn is traditionally used to help support a happy and healthy heart. Ginger is warming and it's got a little bit of spiciness to it, so it's perfect for this recipe. And then cardamom is also a spice that is also considered to be warming and a support to the circulatory system and to healthy digestion. So this is a really nice combination, and this couldn't be simpler to make. So what I'm doing is I took 6 cardamom pods and I lightly crushed them, and I used a mortar and pestle to do this, but I've also done it before with just the back of a wooden spoon. So no need to overcomplicate it, but if you do have a mortar and pestle, it's fun to get it out and use it for something like this. So start with 6 cardamom pods, lightly crush them and add them to the bottom of a cup. And then I also have here 2 slices of ginger, and these are just thin slices of ginger. Now I'm adding these directly to a cup because I don't really mind kind of having some things floating around in there and just sort of drinking it as is. If you want to strain it after you let this steep for a little bit, that's wonderful. If you want to use a tea ball or some kind of a tea bag and put these ingredients inside of that before you pour your hot water over, that's fine too. So now I've got my ginger and my lightly crushed cardamom pods in here. I'm just going to pour some warm water over this. This was boiling, it's no longer boiling. Okay, and then I'm gonna cover this. And what I would do is I would let this sit for a while, for at least 5 minutes, depending if you wanna have an even stronger flavor, maybe you go 10 minutes. And so you just let this sit, okay? Now, once it has had the time to steep and let all of that, nice fragrances and flavor from the ginger and the cardamom really infuse that water here, then you're going to add your Hawthorn Supreme liquid extract. And I love this product, again, traditionally for a happy and healthy heart. So I am going to add about 50 drops of Hawthorn Supreme here. And then you just give this a light stir. Or if you're using a tea ball or a strainer of some kind, this could be a great time to strain it. And then you just enjoy. And it's just that cardamom is really nice, and with that, the way the hawthorn mixes into that and the ginger. Hawthorn Heart Warmer. This is a really lovely one for whatever season of the year, but if it's winter and having that little bit of extra warming and hawthorn support, really fantastic. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.